Hi, my name is Micah Ibardilasa and my student number is 185090230. Here is my 360-degree view. Hi, my name is Micah and I will be doing a comprehensive head-to-toe assessment. Can you please tell me your full name and your date of birth?
Hi, my name is Luis Ordonez and my date of birth is December 18, 1996.
Your name and your date of birth matches your ID band. Perform hand hygiene, check room for contact precaution, provide privacy to the patient. Now I'm going to start my assessment starting with the general appearance. Can you please stand and walk a few steps? You may sit. Can you smile? Can you raise your eyebrow? Can you repeat after me? Faith, hope, and love. Faith, hope, and love.
Faith, hope, and love. Faith, hope, and love.
Patient assessment. Patient is calm and engaged in eye contact. His personal hygiene is clean and good, no body odor. He seems to be in relaxed and calm position. He is able to walk without difficulty and not requiring assistive device. His speech is clear and well articulated. His face is symmetrical and no sign of facial drooping. Now I'm gonna assess your chest. Can you stand? Turn the other side. Inhale, exhale. Again, inhale, exhale. Gonna auscultate your lungs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Can you turn the other side? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I'm gonna assess your apical pulse, which is located in 5th intercostal space, mid-clavicular line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, you may sit. Patient assessment. Breath sounds are clear bilateral, no labored breathing, no retraction, no use of accessory muscle. Chest expands symmetrically. Apical heart rate is 80 beats per minute. Pulse is strong and consistent. No abnormal heart sound or murmur noted. Now I'm gonna assess your abdomen. Can you please lie down? Tell me if there's any pain. Patient assessment. Abdomen is soft, non-tender, no sign of pain or distension. Bowel sound present and normal in all 4 quadrants. Now I'm gonna assess your extremities. I'm gonna check your radial pulse, your capillary refill, can you squeeze my hand? Okay. Gonna check your dorsalis pedis pulse, posterior tibial pulse, capillary refill. Now, can you point your toes upward toward your nose? Can you point your toes downward? Okay. Patient assessment. Both arms and legs are symmetrical. No deformities noted. Capillary refill, less than 3 seconds. Both radial and pedal pulses are present, strong and equal in strength. Both arms and legs are in good color, warm to touch, with full movement, and with good sensation. Hand grip strength is strong. Plantar flexion and dorsiflexion against resistance is strong and equal bilaterally. You miss it? That's the end of my head-to-toe assessment. Thank you so much for your cooperation. Now I'm gonna document all the findings and perform hand hygiene. Here is my 360-degree view. Thank you.